We are in Nipomo, California. We overlook the Tematati Ridge, which has been here for millions of years. We're in a restored 180-year-old Adobe, 13 rooms, 2 stories.
Captain Dana got a land grant in 1837 from the Mexican government. This was Mexico at the time. He got 38,000 acres, average for the times, but a big chunk of land. And you're going to see it very much as it was 175 years ago here. This is where the children were when they were little until they grew to adulthood. When the captain passed away at 61 years of age, in the room right behind me here. So there's a ton of history here. There's the upstairs, which has got a few ghosts in it, which are very interesting. They're nice ghosts, but you can hear all about them if you come out for a tour.
We are open daily at the Cultural Center, which is a revolving art gallery, but that evolves and changes about every 3 to 4 months. And then you can also visit our historical landmark, which is the Dana Adobe. We do have trails here on the property. It starts at the pepper tree and goes down to the windmill and across the creek. They are guided hikes 1 Sunday a month. You can also do them on your own free will. We have a map and a starting point, and then you can just follow right along. If you're a member, it's all complimentary. If you're not a member, it's $5 admission that you can see the Cultural Center, get your hand stamped, come up to the Adobe. It is a docent-led tour, so you get to hear a lot of historical facts.
The ammunition, but they must already have the guns. Inside.
And then you can have a picnic lunch out on the picnic tables. You could definitely spend all day out here.